Morning students. I am your science teacher Nilima Singh. Welcome to the online science classes for new session 2020-21. Let's start with our first lesson, testing to digesting food. Yesterday we learned about vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So you understand children, vegetarian and non-vegetarian? Can you answer me, vegetarian and non-vegetarian? What do you mean by vegetarian? Yes, people who eat food, grains, fruits and vegetables and no meat or eggs are called vegetarians. Non-vegetarian, people who eat meat, fish and eggs along with vegetables, food grain and fruits are called non-vegetarian. Okay. I am asking some questions. Name two bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food is milk and fish. Name two raw food, carrot, radish. Yes, dash are unhealthy for us, junk food. All foods are divided into how many groups? 3 groups. Anybody know the group? Energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Today we will take our topic food preservation. What do you mean by food preservation? First I will explain you. Food preservation may be defined as the process of treating and handling food in such a way as to stop, control or greatly slow down spoilage. To increase the shelf life of the food products, application of various methods such as drying, storage, vinegar, under acidic condition, canning, freezing, fermenting, dry salting. So the term food preservation refers to any one of a number of techniques used to prevent food from spoiling. So, today we will start food preservation. See the children book, food preservation. Food is precious. Food can be get spoiled due to many reasons such as insects, bacteria, fungi, moisture and dust. Excess food should be spoiled or thrown away. Some food items can be kept for longer. If we preserve them, we preserve food in following ways. So we can keep food for a following ways for some time. By refrigerating. First point is refrigerator. Cooked food, raw vegetables, fruits, meat, fish and milk can be preserved in refrigerator by keeping them in low temperature. We can keep cooked food also, fruits and vegetable for some day and it will be very fresh. Second one is salting and pickling. Some raw food items like raw mango, tamarind, tomato and fish can be preserved by putting them in salting and drying in the sun. Salt acts as preservation. You know now your mother also making pickling with tomato, mango. So they are putting so much salt and keeping in sun also. So it will be live for a long time. Salt acts as a preservative. Number third point is putting in sugar solution for gelling. Some food can be preserved by preserving them in sugar solution. For example, jam, jelly and murabba. By the help of the sugar also we can make this thing, jam, jelly and murabba, and keep for a long time. Sun drying. Some food items are simply dried in the sun after chopping and even when intact. For example, resin, dry onion and pea. So it can be after drying we can use any season. So this food also live for a long time. So today we will start some important point. See children, let us remember. So many important points are there. So please listen here. Number 1. Food gives us energy to work and play. Carbohydrate and fat supply energy to our body. Third point, proteins help our body to grow. Fourth, vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. Water helps to remove the body waste. Conversion of complex food and simpler form of the body is called digestion. People who eat food, grains, fruits and vegetables and no meat or eggs are called vegetarians. Now, people who eat meat, fish and eggs along with vegetarian food are called non-vegetarian. Eating junk food frequently makes us fat. Excess food is preserved by freezing, drying, adding salt and sugar. Now I will ask some questions. You listen carefully. Why do we cook our food? Yes, anybody? We cook our food to make it soft, tasty and easy to digest. Name 2 food stuffs that contain roughage, carrot and apple. Name 2 food that can eaten raw, cucumber and carrot. Why do some food last longer when cooked? Anybody? Some food lasts longer when cooked because cooking kills germs present in raw food. Write any 3 functions of water in our body. Very important question. Write any 3 functions of water in our body. Listen carefully. 3 functions of water in our body are: it helps to digest and absorb the food properly. It helps to remove the body waste in the form of urine and sweat. It forms an important constituent of many parts of our body such as blood, skin, digestive juices, etc. Fill up. Junk food dash are unhealthy for us. Yes, junk food. We shall dash the food properly. We should chew the food properly. Dash help to digest the food properly. Yes, water helps to digest the food properly. Now, match the following. See here matching. Pizza. What will be the answer? Pizza. Anybody? Junk food. Cheese. Fats. Pomegranate. Source of minerals. Cucumber. Raw food. Pickle. Preserved food. Now, Circle the odd one. Circle the odd one here given: butter, ghee, oil, bread. Which one is odd, children? Tell me. Yes, bread. Now, egg, cauliflower, fish, milk. Yes, cauliflower. We will circle the cauliflower. Next one, stomach, intestine, heart, large intestine. Yes, very good. Heart. So we have to circle in heart.